I'm at the Potteries in Stoke-on-Trent. They do KTM, Royal Enfield and Kawasaki. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a beautiful showroom. I'll take you around. What are these, Vespers? Vespers, what are they? What are these bikes? Not Vespers, don't they? Grand Prix. Oh, okay. Oh, these are the bad boy KTMs. Oh, that's quite a nice looking bike, isn't it? Wow, very nice. Very sexy bike. Not a bad looking exhaust either. That's Craig, who works in the KTM department. Nice fella's making me a nice cuppa. Let's show you around. Ohio Sung. They do variety of bikes here. Quite a nice dealership actually. Oh, this is the new Kawasaki ZX-10R. R actually, double R. Interesting, that's the old one. Ah, I wonder where the new one is. Ah, look for the new one. Very interesting. I cannot wait for that to be delivered in 2 weeks. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous bike. There you are, lads. That's my bike, just there. One of the very few H2s available in the UK. One of the very, very few. I think this is probably 2 or 3 brand new H2s available in the UK. I'm not sure, I've heard that they've actually stopped making these bikes, the H2s. I don't know. Be interesting to find out today actually. Right, this is the t-shirt I always wanted actually. I'm gonna get him. Actually, I'm gonna get one. Okay. That's a ZX-10. Wow. I think these are the second-hand bikes that they've got here. Look at this bad boy. Harley Davidson. Wow. Look at the size of this thing. It's huge. It's like the equivalent to the Goldwing, isn't it? Well, Harley Davidson's answer to the Goldwing. I do prefer the Goldwing, to be honest. But yeah, this is the Potteries in Stoke-on-Trent. Been speaking to a gentleman called Rowan. He's been an absolute superstar. And there comes Craig with my hot chocolate. Cheers, Craig. Thanks a lot. You did say your name's Craig? Yeah. Yeah. Have you not got the new ZX10Rs? Not yet.
Not arrived into the UK yet.
That'd be interesting to check out the new ZX10Rs.
So that's the outgoing one, RR.
Yeah.
The one with the forged pistons, titanium rods.
One of my favourite bikes, the ZX10s.
Everything.
Gorgeous.
And that's not slow, is it?
That's my once a month bike. Take it out once a month, just chill out on it. Just take it back home. It's a gorgeous bike.
It's the paintwork, isn't it? It's just
stunning.
Something else, isn't it?
Stunning. Nothing like it. Nothing like it.
Nothing like it.
And you know, that's one of the reasons why I'm buying this bike, is because of the paintwork. It's a piece of art. I love it. Gorgeous bike.
You won't see another one out there.
No.
Very, very rare.
No. And do you know if they're still making the H2s, or is that it?
That's it.
That's it. No more H2s. Wow. It's got to be a rare bike then.
Yeah, the special thing, I mean, they're a lot of money, but they're going to hold the money, I think.
Yeah.